Hi all and welcome. I am Rice. Today we are going to cook needlefish. The fish has long mouths. Fish got bought at Pasayar Fish Market in Jaffna. Ingredients are 250 grams of needlefish, 1 onion, 1 tomato, 1 green chili, curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of pepper powder, half tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 bay leaves and quarter tablespoon of fenugreek seed. After washing the required items, slice the onion, tomato and chili. Oh, please subscribe, like and comment to Rice YouTube channel if you are interested in our contents. Add turmeric powder. Add chili powder. Add coriander powder. Add pepper powder. Add salt. Add 3 cloves of brindleberry. After adding the ingredients, please mix everything properly. Add oil. Add sliced garlic. Again, mix it well. Add sliced onion. Fry for a while. Add curry leaves. Add sliced tomato and green chili. Fried for 2 minutes. Add fenugreek. Do you know that needlefish are slender, ranging from 3.0 to 95 centimeters 2 to 37.4 in length? They have a single dorsal fin, placed far back on the body. Oh, sorry. After fry the ingredients, add the fish for cooking. Add water required amount. Keep it for 5 minutes. We have almost done. Finally, add curry leaves for smelly. Well finished cooking. Thank you so much.